So here we are, crop walking video 2. He's getting a bit bored. Ready? Okay. What are we going to do, Sky? Going to tell them how to take pictures. Right, you arrive at the field. The first thing is to take a nice general shot of this field of barley. So pan round to the barley. And then it's quite nice to take a picture of the crop, looking down at the crop. We can then get an idea of the plant population. To get the plant population accurately, we put a ruler on the floor, in this case 1/2 meter, and we then count the plants along the row, and there's roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there might be 10 there. And we also just lay the tape this way to have a look at the row spacing, and you can see here it's 12.5 centimeters, which is a standard Vardestat or Pottinger and often horse drill width. We then are going to look at the growth stage of the plant. So we're going to put the spade in and a little trowel in and dig it up, and we're going to get it, just make sure we're looking at individual plants, and we're going to take a nice photograph of the plant so we can count the tillers. And in this case it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's growth stage 25. We then are going to have we want to be able to take some pictures of close-ups of the leaves, and so we try and take a picture of the top and a picture of the bottom of the leaf. And if we could see any disease on the plant, we try and take a close-up of the picture. Now, earlier we found some Rhynchosporium, but sod's law, there isn't any where we're standing. But anyway, if you see a blotch on the leaf, take a picture of it. We'd also start to look for insects. It's too early in the crop's life to see any insects here. But as the season progresses, you may well find aphids, pollen beetle on rape, and thrips in peas and wheat. Finally, we'd also come along and look at the ground, looking for weeds. And for example, here there's a few weeds. There's a cleaver, a little bit of mayweed, and some meadowgrass, and that's our soil sampling friend who's just come to annoy us. Finally, we'd like to look at the roots, look at the root system and the base of the plant. And as you can see, some nice roots here, out looking for nitrogen, which has been applied on this field because it's a conventional field. And here's the lower root system, which is going down looking for moisture. We also look at the base of the stem, looking for any brown marks or any signs of fusarium or eye spot. Don't forget to cut. We might ask you later in life. Oh bloody hell! Now the knife won't work. Well, anyway, you get the knife, and we basically slice the stem, and we'd be looking at the internals in here to see what the exact growth stage is. But that's not essential today. And that's it. It's very, very simple. Thank you.